Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $100 per day using ActiveCampaign. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. ActiveCampaign users and business owners are both interested in how to make money with the service. You will learn all the tried and true ways to sign up for ActiveCampaign and start making real money with the all-in-one marketing platform. Let me start by telling you what ActiveCampaign can do for you. So ActiveCampaign offers cloud-based marketing and sales automation software with features for email marketing, lead scoring, and web analytics, as well as a CRM platform and a live chat messaging platform called Conversations. In this video, I will show you some easy-to-use ways to use ActiveCampaign to make at least $100 per day. Step 1. Make an account on the website for ActiveCampaign. Sign up for the Lite plan, which only costs $9 per month. This is the most important thing to do. This plan has 500 people who have signed up to receive emails, which is perfect for this strategy. Remember that we will use this email autoresponder to collect emails from prospects and then send them emails to try to get them to buy our products. Step 2. Sign up for a free account on the DripScripts website. You can use DripScripts to make personalized email sequences that are meant to turn leads into customers. This website has a lot of email sequences, some of which are re-engagement of cold subscribers. Use this sequence to get people who haven't opened or clicked on your emails in a while to do so again. Start of sales. Use this sequence to promote any new product or limited time offer with an open and close cut period. Post-webinar sales. Use this sequence also to turn webinar attendees and registrants into sales automatically after your webinar is over. For the strategy, we will pay attention to the product launch sequence. You will have access to a lot of email sequences that you can use to promote your affiliate products. Step 3. Join affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliates, and others. Then, promote a digital product to earn commissions. Keep in mind that affiliate marketing can be profitable, but it takes a lot of time and money to make it work as a business. Step 4. Drive traffic. Now that we've set up for our sales funnel, it's time to bring in potential buyers so we can make sales and get our commission. You can run paid ads like Google Ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, and so on with a small budget. But if you don't have any money, you should use free ads. There are many places where you can get free traffic, but because they are easy to get, their usefulness varies. So to be successful, you need to learn about and be good at a wide range of them. And here are some ways that you can get free traffic. SEO, which is search engine optimization. Posting on Quora, posting on Reddit, YouTube, putting up guest posts on other websites, direct traffic, social media, email marketing to get more traffic. If you follow the steps mentioned before, it won't be hard for you to make a few sales a day. If you do that, you will make at least 400 US dollars per week, if not more. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.